What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Lil Disnick here. Today we're going to be looking at another awesome script from AP Scripts. This is the AP court system. Keep in mind, I am not associated with or compensated by AP Scripts in any way. I'm just a huge fan of this and their government script. But if you haven't checked out the video, I'll link it down in the description. And obviously I will leave a link for this script as well down in the description. Yeah, so this script is available for both the ESX and QBCORE frameworks for FiveM. And by default, it's set up to work with the Gabs Town Hall interior. It's very, very easy to change it, to change the locations of these two PEDs here that are at the desks, and also the interaction locations at the judge's bench and in the judge's office that you'll see here in a little bit. But it's very easy to make it work with any interior that you may have. So let's start off right here and let's go and take or look at the bar exam or bar association here. So you can make it so that so that people can take a bar exam to get their lawyer's license or to get their lawyer ID, which is actually would be a state bar ID. And you can make it so that they have to do that to practice law or anything like that, which adds a whole new dimension of role play to the community there. And let's see, we're gonna take this exam here. I am retaking it because I failed it somehow on the last attempt that you guys are not gonna be able to see. But yeah, so we are going to look here. Let's see here. Boy, yeah, no, yeah, that, no. All right. So we can see here that once we've successfully taken the test, then it says it's processing background checks. So what'll have to happen then is the judge or judges, you can have more than one judge back here, but go in here and you can see in the judges menu here that there are background checks, which is going to show the people who have passed the exam and are awaiting background checks. If you have a CAD system, you can have either an officer or in our particular server, the DOJ has access to the CAD also, or the judges do at least, and also the lawyers. Or there's also a built-in archives system. So once people get convicted in court, you can add their criminal records to the archives and actually just search their name out through those archives as well. But we're gonna look at the background check here, and we're gonna see that Harry Paratestes has a application in, and I know that he doesn't have any criminal records on file, so we're gonna go ahead and accept that application. Now, once you get that application accepted, it's gonna send you an email that you have your background checks have passed, your bar application is now completed. It also gives emails regarding once you pass the test, and or actually once you're able to retake it if you fail it. All the notifications are done both on screen and through but mostly through the email in your phone. Just like the AP government script, it's set up so that it's compatible with several different phones, or you can set it up with a custom phone if it is not one of the ones listed. I believe it's like GK phone, High phone, and obviously QB phone. But once we go up here, we can go and talk to this fella again, and it gives our bar application status as accepted, and we can collect our bar license. And if we look in our inventory here, I probably got two of them now. But we have a lawyer's pass. So if you want to ever flash that, that'll actually show up on everybody's screen, and it shows that you are a member of the San Andreas Bar Association. So that is our bar association. That's how you get the lawyers registered. Let's look at this gal here. So this is the court clerk, where you can view any public scheduled court cases, as well as set up an appointment with the judge, just like with the mayor with the government script. And you're also able to sign up for jury service. You can set this in the config as well, how much you'd like them to get for a sign-up bonus, and how much you'd like to get them for every case that they sit in on. So whenever they click to join jury service, it will actually make it so that they are available to be called for jury duty and sit in on the jury and stuff like that. All right. Then we'll go in here back to the judge's office one more time here, and we'll look at these options in here a little more in depth. All right, so we looked at the background checks. That's going to show any pending bar applications where they have passed their bar exam. The bar members, you'll be able to look at everybody that is a bar certified lawyer and or judge. We've got it set up in our city so that the only way that you can become a judge is to be a bar certified lawyer. So also we've got denied applications. If you have to deny somebody's application because they have a criminal record or whatever reason, you can update the judge exam, which is like whenever you have to retake the exam, you can update that here, and it gives them a second version of the exam. You can look at your appointment requests. If citizens need to make an appointment with you, or if lawyers need to make an appointment with you, you can look at your scheduled appointments. If anybody has an approved appointment, once you approve an appointment with a person, it will give them an email on their phone stating the time and date and all that good stuff. So now here's where you create a court case, and we'll just do state versus test, and that's where we actually make a court case. And then once you've created a court case, you can go in here and you can configure it. You'll be able to change the date and time. And let's go ahead and set one up. So we'll do, today's the 10th of September, which is my birthday. And we'll do it for, I don't know, 0800 AM. And I always put the time zone I'm in. We'll change the fee and change the people on the case. So we'll change, the judge. Obviously, there, we could change it to another judge if we needed to. Usually, if you already have the judge job, it's gonna just automatically choose you. Like, you're gonna have to create the case, and it's automatically gonna put you on the case. And let's see here. So we can also change the defendant. So we'll just do the defendant as, I don't know. Let's see who comes up. We'll just do me. All right. So we'll add me as a defendant. You can change your jury, and this is going to be a list of all of the people that have signed up for jury duty. So I mean, you can spam a whole bunch of these and just see who shows up. If you want to get more in depth with it, I mean, you can sit there and you can actually charge people with failure to show with the jury duty. Let's go ahead and configure this some more here. Let's see here. You can change the posting type to public or private. And as you saw out there with the lady that's the court clerk, then that'll actually post it as a public court case. So people can come in here and look at what court cases are publicly posted and when they are, and they can actually just come in and sit in on it and stuff. And then once you get, hold on, we gotta just add a defense lawyer. So we'll just do, all right. So once we get all that set up, You can publish the case to Discordia. They have a webhook, several webhooks in here that you can set up to publish court cases, like give the status of court cases and things like that. So once you publish the case to Discordia, it'll actually activate that webhook. It'll put the status in your Discord if you choose to do so. So it'll kind of publicly announce to your community as a whole, to even people that aren't in the server at the time. Oh, and there's one more thing I forgot to do here. Then once you're ready to start the court proceedings, you're going to start, and it's actually going to disappear from your list in here. And then we go out to the judge's bench, and it moves your case right here to the live court cases. And so basically, we'll go over these things one by one here. Your verdict count, whenever you get your jury in here, they can actually go into the juror room, which we'll check out just real fast here. They can go into the juror room. They third eye onto the table here, give a verdict, and then it'll have them choose the case they're on. I'm not currently assigned as a juror in this case, but whenever you are assigned as a juror, it'll pop up a dialogue that says guilty and not guilty, and you just type in all caps yes in the box next to the verdict that you wish to give. It takes everybody's votes and informs the judge right up here in this little area here, so that the judge can give them the guilty. You can change the fee if you want up here. You can change people on case if they want to change their defense lawyer, anything like that. You can do a defendant payout or a defense payout, for any settlements or anything like that in a civil suit. Let's see, you can adjourn the proceedings. So if you have to take a little while of a recess or postpone it till another day, you can adjourn the proceedings and give the date and time that you wish to have for the new court case, or the continuation of the court case, I guess I should say. When you adjourn proceedings, you can also set it up in the webhook, or enable the webhook to publish that in Discord also. And then obviously finish proceedings. So once you give your verdict and all that, you can finish proceedings. If you wish to use the criminal records archives within here, you can submit a criminal record and add a criminal record for pretestes or whatever, and fine type, so you can add in the charges and all that good stuff. Like I said, in our community, we go by the CAD MDT because it's just easier just to have it just in one place. But then, yeah, once you're done done with the proceedings, you just finish proceedings and then proceed to jail the suspect or find them or whatever you wish to do after the fact there. Once you just finish proceedings, and that'll also publish to Discord. It'll have like the defendant's name, the case name, and the verdict and the outcome of the case there. But that is the super cool AP court system. Very, very in-depth and well thought out script, and also just an awesome dev. Like very, very helpful with the support. This is on a scale of 1 to 10, like 10 being the hardest to install. This on my scale would rank like a 2. It's very, very, very simple, especially if you've already got the Gabs interior here. But even if you don't, I mean, that would really only slide that scale up to about like a 3, just because you have to do a little bit of work. But if you're remotely familiar with even just config files and stuff like that, then it'll be really easy for you to get figured out and all like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this showcase, and I hope you guys really go over and check out AP Scripts over there. I'll publish a link down in the description, and I'll probably even publish a link down in the description to these super cool judge robes here if you want to add those to your server. What I've done is just added in an additional cloakroom in the judges' chambers through QB clothing that's specific for the judge job, kind of like, you know, with the police job or EMS job or anything like that. But yeah, man, I will see you guys next time with another awesome script. Again, these are just scripts that we have bought and we really dig, and I want to share them with you guys. So yeah, so if you like this, just make sure to like, subscribe, comment if you'd like to see anything else, and if you have a script that you'd like to be showcased, just add me on Discord, Lil Disnick, and then the number thing, and then 3143. I'll put it down in the description also. Just add me on Discord. Tell me that you would like us to check out your script and to showcase it possibly, and we'll see about getting her done. But yeah, so that's gonna do it for this, and I hope you guys enjoyed once again, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.